Srivalli. Today topic is multiplication. Okay, this is a two-digit number. Two-digit number multiplication with single-digit number. How? Okay, how to multiply? Okay, let us start the first sum. Okay, 2. 2 fours are how much? 2 fours are 8. Now 2 threes are how much? 6. 34 twos are how much? 68. Now go to second sum. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is a two-digit number multiplication with single number. How? Okay, now let us start. 4. 4 eights are how much? 32. 4 eights are how much? 32. Okay, 2 in one place. Now 3 carries to tens place. 3 carries to tens place. 4 6 are how much? 4 6 are 24. 24 carry the number is 3. 24 plus 3 how much? 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. 68 fours are how much? 272. Next one is 37. 37 ones, tens, 3 in tens place, 7 in ones place. Okay, multiplication with single digit number 6. Okay, how to multiply? First one 6 multiplication with 7, next 3. Okay, first of all multiply with ones place. 6 sevens are how much? 6 sevens are how much, ma? 6 sevens are 42. Okay, 2 in ones place, 4 it carries to tens place. Okay, 4 is there. 6 eights are 6 eights are not 6 threes are. 6 threes are how much? 6 threes are 18. 18 plus carry the number is 4. 18 plus 4 how much? 22. Okay, 37 6 are how much, ma? 222. Okay, I will take 3-digit number multiplication with single-digit number. Okay, now take this is 1 place value, this is 10 place value, this is 100 place value. 3 9 4. 1 place value 4 is there, 10 place value 9 is there. Okay, 100 place value 3 is there. Multiplication with single-digit number 5. First one 5 fours are. 5 fours are how much, ma? 20. You write 0 in ones place. Now carry the 2 in tens place. Okay, now 5 nines are how much, ma? 5 nines are how much? 45. 45 carry the number is 2 is there. 45 plus 2 how much? 47. Now this number is strike out. Now 47. You write 7 in tens place. 4 carries to 100 place. Now 5 threes are how much? 15. 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 how much? 19. 394 fives are 1970. Okay, last one. Okay, now this is ones place value, this is tens place value, this is hundreds place values. Okay, 3-digit number multiplication with single number, single digit number. Okay, how? Okay, let us start the sum. Okay, 7 twos are how much? 7 twos are 14, ma'am. 14. 1 twos are 14. Okay, yes. Okay, 4 in one place, 1 carries to tens place. Now 7 nines are how much, ma? 63. 63 plus 1. Okay, now this number strike out. Now write 6 in hundreds place. Now write 4 in tens place. 7 6 are how much, ma? 42. 42 plus 6 how much? 42 plus 6 is equal to 48. Now write last number 48. 692 sevens are 4842. Okay, this is a multiplication. Okay, sorry, 4844. Okay, multiplication. This is a multiplication with 2-digit number, multiplication with single-digit number, 3-digit number, multiplication with single-digit number. Okay, do you understand, students? Okay, next model is 2-digit number multiplication with 2-digit number. Okay, how? Okay, let us start the first one. Okay, 25 into 16. 25 is a 2-digit number, 16 is also a 2-digit number. This is 25. 1 place value 2 is there, 5 is 1. 2 is 10 place value, in 5 is 1 place value, 1 is 10 place value, 6 is 1 place value. First of all, how to multiply? Okay, now 25 6 are, first of all you multiply. This is a 2-digit number, multiplication is single-digit number. Okay, 6 5s are how much? 30. Okay, 6 5s are how much? 30 ma. Okay, now 0 in 1's place, 3 carries to 10's place. Okay, 6 2s are how much ma? 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Now write 150 means 25 6 are this one answer. Okay now. Okay, next one. 25 into 1, how much? 25 ones are how much ma? 25. Now leave the 1's place. Why? Okay, I am multiplying with 10's place value. Okay, I start with 10's place value. Now start the answer also 10's place value start. Now this value is 0. In 1's place value is 0 or nothing. Any undadu. Okay, now 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus. Now do the addition. Now do the multiplication. Then also do the multiplication addition. This is the multiplication addition. Now do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 how much ma? 10. Now carry the 100's place value. 1 in 10's place value is 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 is there. 2 plus 2 how much ma? 4. Now answer is how much? 400. This is a 150. 150 means 25 6 are 150. This is 25 ones are. 25 ones are how much? 25. Okay, this value you write 0 or there or into or anything you write. Anyone you write. First one you multiplication with 6 25. 6 25 are how much ma? 150. Now 125 are how much ma? 25. Okay, do the addition. Okay, plus 0. 0 into something. This one also 0. Then after 5 plus 5 is 10. Next one 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. That is answer is 4. Okay, now 400 is answer. Okay, this is 2-digit number answer. Okay, the 2-digit numbers are 25 into 16. 25. 16 are how much ma? 400. Okay, this is sum. Okay, I will take next another example. Now, okay, start. Let us start second one. 37 into 52. Okay, how to start first one? First of all, you take in 37 twos are or 2 37s are you take. Okay, 37 twos are how much? 2 37s are how much? Okay, 2. So 7s are how much? 14. Now carry the 1 in 10's place value. Okay, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. That is 74. This is a 74. This value is 2 37s are. Okay ma. Next one. Next you take 37 5s are or 5 37s are same value coming. Okay, now take 37 5s are. Okay, 7 5s are how much? 35. Now carry the 3 in 10's place. Okay, now 5 in 1's place. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 how much? 18. Now write 18. This place value, this one is leave it. Then after you write 185. Do the addition. Multiplication addition. Okay, 4. Not there in any number. Now write 4. So 7 plus 5 how much? 12. Now 1 plus 8, 9, 1. Now answer is 1924. 37 into 52. Okay. Now first of all you multiply with 2 37s. 2 37s answer is 74. Then after your multiplication with 5 37s. 5 37s answer is 185. Okay, both are do the addition. Okay, this is the multiplication addition. Okay, 4, 12, 9, 1. Okay, answer is 1920. This sum is completed. Now go to last one. This is I will do the another way. Okay. First of all you take 2-digit number in 48. 64 is also a 2-digit number. First you take 4 to multiply. 48 multiplication with 4. 4 32. 4 8s are how much? 32. 32 you write first one. Then after you write in 2 in ones place. Then after you write in 3 in carry the 3 in 100 tens place now. Okay. 4 4s are how much? 16. 16 plus 3. This one strike out now. Now write 16 plus 3 how much? 19. Okay. Leave the ones place value. Let us start the tens place. Tens number starts with tens place. 6 8s are how much ma? 48. Now carry the 48 in right 8 in tens place. Then after you 4 you also write in tens place also. Okay, so I write in hundreds place. Okay, 4 6 6 4s are how much? 24. 24 plus 4 how much? 28. Now you write the number in, this is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, now do the addition. This is the multiplication addition. How to do? 2 9 plus 8 17. Then after 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 1 10. Then after 2 plus 1 3. This is the last. Okay, 48 into 64 is equal to 3070.